Hello guys, you remember the cube that was solving itself in the air? Now here is a slow motion version of it. There it goes. For those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hello guys, how fast can you solve the Rubik's cube? So mimi nitakuwa na solve na less than 8 seconds. Well, kuna njia mingi but this is my way. My time starts now. Eric. Oh! Ta-da!
I'm going to solve this Rubik's cube in less than Rubik's cube in less than 10 seconds.
So, my time starts now. Eric.
Oh yeah.
Hey, say. Ngoja gonge. Na vile nimejikaza kuongea. Eric.
Hey.
Imani. Oh,
ndio akiwa hii.